oils in the engines. It could damage the aircraft.
Which one is this?
JetBlue, and cause some very bad stuff like
Coming after this.
spirit. But yeah, it can cause engine fires and stuff. But most of them is just do that for fun, basically. Look who finally decided to show up. Mr. Delayed. Mr. Delay. You finally decided to show up, yes? Mr. Delay. Yeah, he wasn't really that delayed. He was delayed like about 40 minutes. And my home airport did delayed about like hour, 2 hours. Yeah, that's why I like Miami and stuff better than where I live and stuff. So I'm currently filming this in all that. I'm filming this video about like 3 seconds after I filmed that video. The aircraft, I could no longer see it, but my father could see it for sure. And there's a huge aircraft coming, like 2 aircraft behind this one. So, oh, this one's flying like right above me. Wow. Wow. It's huge. It's a humongous aircraft. That's huge. That's huge. I didn't expect it to fly over me. Don't mind if my hands are shaky, please. It's because, well, my shoes aren't fixed properly and it's squeezing my feet. So, yeah. And have a look at this beautiful sunset. Have a look at this beautiful sunset. So beautiful, right? About 2 minutes after filming that other video, I just saw this aircraft taking off. I love aircrafts, and if you all didn't know, Red River Aviation, he sparked my channel. Well, no, I actually watched his videos, and I thought, maybe I could become a big YouTuber like him one day, and that's what started my channel. So that's a little backstory on how I started my channel and stuff, if you all wanted to know. And there's a duck in the background. I don't know, but there is going to be a Virgin Atlantic A350-1000 that's going to be loud, beautiful, and humongous. So bye, and I'll see you in like 3 seconds. Hey, it's me again. So the Spirit was delayed, so the Virgin Atlantic pilot was actually kind enough to let him pass through. So, well, actually it was ATC that told the Virgin Atlantic to just stop and let him go. And by the way, if anybody sees my videos, this is plane number 737-8, and on TikTok is the Trini Plane Spotter. So So if you all see that literally Plane Spots are posting these videos, just know that it's me from TikTok and thing now. So yeah, the New Atlantic aircraft is currently taking off. Okay, I didn't even finish filming that, and I turned and saw this humongous beauty just in the air. I'm sending these to my friend. His name is Zany on TikTok. Go follow him. And please follow me if you can. You don't have to, but you can just watch my videos. I'm not forcing y'all to do anything. It's up to y'all. Tell me in the comments if you like my channel. Y'all don't really have to do anything that I'm saying, but just saying that. Because I got hate from telling people to like and subscribe, so yeah, they really broke my heart on that one. Just kidding. I'm a boy. I don't care about haters. Yeah.